This goes over the attribute editor. We crisscross the path of the attribute editor. Attribute editor is an expanded version of the channel box. The channel box has condensed information about an object, translation, scale, rotation, visibility, and other things that will show up over here. The attribute editor will have even more information. Not only that, but as you build an object, such as this object that has a few extrusions on it, take a look at this tab menu when I click on the object. It expands polygon extrude, tweak, polygon extrude. The attribute editor has some of the history and other connections as you model. What you're usually interested in, the first few tabs, let me hit the sphere, like this tab, and this tab, that has the base creation parameters of this object and a little more information, and the last tab, or the tabs all the way to the right, that has more shader information. Same will hold true for this cube. All the way to the right, shader information about this object, and if I click this triangle and just hold it down as I left click, you'll get to the first tab. First tab, second tab, and then scrolling on down to that last two tabs. One here, which deals with some of the base parameters when this object was created, and then the last tab, which is a shader. You'll use the attribute editor to change colors of shaders, such as this, or you might just use the attribute editor as a way to adjust certain settings. In another video, you'll see this. One of the settings might be how smooth will this object render when using Arnold, and that is determined under smooth mesh. There's also some other Arnold settings that you'll set through the attribute editor, which aren't accessible through the channel box. Control A to toggle if you want to use the tab menu. That's another way, and the final way is Windows General Editor's attribute editor or channel box. And this was your introduction to the attribute editor.